Students, in this video I am going to explain question B of exercise 12.1. Read the bills to find the total amount and money left over. Children, what do you mean by bills? When you buy something, shopkeeper gives you bill. Here you can see the bill. In this bill you can see in the first column serial number is given. In the second column name of the items are written. Then in third column quantities of item are given. And in the last column cost of the quantities are given. Here you can see the cost is given in rupees and paise. See this amount? This is 28 rupees 75 paise, right? The digit which comes before the decimal point we read as a rupees, and digit which comes after the decimal point we read as a paise. Amount paid 100 rupees. And here we are asked to make the total of this bill and money left over. So let us make the total. First we start adding from right to left. Means first we have to add paise and then we add rupees. See here, 5 plus 0, 5 plus 0 plus 0, it will be 5 only. So here I am writing 5 in the answer at the ones place. Then 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 0, 18. From 18 I am writing here 8 and 1 will carry over to the next place. Then children, here you can see in the all amount there is a decimal point after the two digits from right. Okay. So below this decimal point, here I am going to put the decimal point in the answer. Now let us add further. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 19 plus 1, 20. From 20 I am writing here 0 and carry over 2 to the next place. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8 and 8 plus 1, 9. So here the total comes 90.85. Means 90 rupees 85 paise. Now we have to find out money left over. So how will you find it out? See, the money paid 100 rupees and total of the bill comes 90.85. So to find out the money left, we need to subtract this amount from the total amount, right? See, the total amount is 100 rupees. 100 rupees means we can write 100.00. That is 100 rupees 0 paise. And from this amount, now I am going to subtract 90 rupees 85 paise, which is the total of our bill, right? Now see here, we cannot subtract 5 from 0 as 0 is smaller than 5. So we need to take borrow from the previous digit. But the previous digit of the 0 is again 0. This one is again 0. So we need to take borrow from 10. So here I am going to cut 10 and write over there 9. So as we are taking one borrow from 10, this will be 10. Again I am going to cut this 10 and write over there 9. This will be again 10. I am going to cut this 10 and write over there 9. And now this will be 10. Right? Now 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 8, 1. Then here is the decimal point. So just below this decimal point I am going to put this decimal point over here. 9 minus 0, 9. And 9 minus 9, 0. So how much amount is left over? 9 rupees 15 paise is left over. Children, now you see the second bill. Here you can see the cost of one t-shirt is given 237.75. That is 237 rupees 75 paise. And cost of one pair of floater is given 199 rupees 99 paise. Customer paid the amount 500 rupees. Then here we have to find out the total of the bill and money left over. Now let us make the total. 5 plus 9, 14. From 14 I am writing here 4 and carry over 1 to the next place. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. From 17 I am writing here 7 and carry over 1 to the next place. Now below this decimal point, we need to put decimal point here in the answer. Then 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. I am writing here 7 and carry over 1 to the next place. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. I am writing here 3 and carry over 1 to the next place. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So here you can see the total of the bill comes 437 rupees 74 paise. And amount paid 500 rupees. So what amount is left over? Let us do the subtraction. Here we have to subtract this amount from the total amount, right? So see this subtraction here. First I am writing total amount, which is 500 rupees, 00 paise, right? And from this amount I am going to subtract 437.74. Now 4 cannot be subtracted from 0, so we need to take borrow from the previous digit. Now previous digit of this 0 is 0. This will be again, this is again 0, this is again 0. So we need to take borrow from 5. So here I am going to cut 5 and write over there 4. Now this will be 9, this will be again 9, this will be again 9, and this will be 10, right? Now 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 7, 2, then decimal point come over here, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 3, 6, and 4 minus 4, 0. Hence the amount left over 62.26. It means how much amount is left over? 62 rupees 26 paise. Likewise, you can find out the total amount and money left over in third bill.